Hello everyone, this is my beautiful model Jo. We're going to be demonstrating Goldwell's color of the season, Rose Beige. We have seen the creativity and color become a global trend. This creativity has trickled down to the impact of more neutral and natural shades, with even the most classic tones have a richer and multi-dimensional qualities. Rose Beige is a tinted neutral enriched with pink. This pink adds a refined layer of warmth that holds a level of calm and serenity, connecting to the key lifestyle trends that embody health, well-being, and self-care. Let's have a look. So Jo's hair was a level 7 with quite a big regrowth, and then a platinum level 10 on the mid-lengths to ends. So just to start out with, she wants to go back to a more neutral, more natural end result. So I started off by just pre-lightening a few fine baby lights all over her head, just to break up that hard regrowth line. And what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be using our Rose Beige formula from the roots and overlapping it a slight bit over that color band. And then we're going to be milking it into Pastel Rose and Pastel Peach from Colorance. Let's have a look. The important thing when blending these two colors into one another is to make sure that you have firstly enough product, and secondly you're working with your brush in a diagonal sectioning way. So you're constantly creating no lines in the hair. You're just dragging down the color to create a beautiful merge in the end. And it's important to keep on moving your sections around to ensure an even better blend. And you can use your pressure in between your fingers to make sure there's a beautiful blend in between your two shades. This is our final image. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed it as much as we did. So we cannot wait to see your version of this Rose Beige. Please remember to tag us in hashtag color of the season and stand a chance to be featured on our pages. And for more videos like these, please comment, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.